Today we are diving into one of nature's sweetest tropical fruits, the sugar apple, also known as custard apple or sweet sop. This fruit is creamy, delicious and packed with healthy benefits. The sugar apple is a green scaly fruit that grows in warm climates. Inside is soft, white and custard-like sweet with black seeds you don't eat. Have you ever tried it? You're missing out on something truly special. When ripe, the fruit feels soft. When you press it gently, the skin might start to open slightly. That's when you know it's ready to eat. To enjoy sugar apple, just break it open and pick out the flesh with your finger or spoon. Make sure to remove the seeds as you eat. The seeds are not edible. This fruit isn't just sweet, it's healthy too. Sugar apples are rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. They also contain vitamin B6 for brain health and fiber to help digestion. You can enjoy it fresh, add it to your smoothies. It's perfect for a hot day. So tell me, have you tried sugar apple before? Let me know in the comments how you love to eat it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed it. See you in the next one and stay sweet like sugar apple. Stay blessed. Bye bye.